Hey guys, it's Daniel from Walker.
And I'm Tom.
Hey, we're here at the Walker loading docks because our trucks are getting loaded up for next week's GIE in Louisville. And we want to see what's going on.
Yeah, and we've heard that there's some cool things for the show, and we're gonna see if we can get the inside scoop.
Go check it out.
All right.
Hey Josh.
Hey guys, what's up?
Well, we heard that the Walker trucks are getting loaded for the GIE show next week in Louisville, and we want to see what's going on.
Yeah, we hear that there's some new products, and we kind of want to check them out. Apparently there's one that you have to see to believe.
Yeah, I've seen some cool stuff while I've been loading the truck.
Like what? Give us a clue.
One's a new deck that we're adding to our mulching line.
Sweet.
Another is a front mount spreader attachment that's gonna be pretty productive.
That's great.
What about that rumor about something that the Walkers were never going to produce?
Yeah, I've seen it. But you're gonna have to wait for GIE to that one.
Seriously?
It's gonna be worth it.
Yeah, I didn't think we'd run into the loading cop.
Yeah, how about that guy?
Let's start walking.
Well, you can walk, I'm gonna fly. And you guys need to make sure and stop by the Walker booth both inside and outside at the GIE show next week in Louisville.
Yeah, we're gonna be there, and we're gonna get this thing figured out.
Yeah, we'll see you there.